Hello, boys and girls. Brad coming at you here because I have this big stack to go through from one Uncle Vinny and C and better half. I have a link below. He makes one or two vids a year usually, but been great to know Vinny the last, I don't know, what is it, 3, 4 years now? Met him through the IRP. Go check that out on most Tuesday or Wednesday nights. They're off this week, though. I believe I saw him post. But either way, he's known for just killing some people with these huge boxes. This came in a big box. I texted him. I said, your 6-pound monstrosity has shown up. So all I've done is just take him out of the box so you didn't have to watch me do all that nonsense. But I haven't looked at any of this stuff. He has it all numbered in what order I'm supposed to go in, which is what he typically does. So for those who have never watched this stuff, I have a video last year from it. But 12 stacks of Christmas is kind of what he calls it. And then he has bonus rounds. So there's like 16 stacks here you're seeing. So buckle up. It will not be a short video. And that's just how he likes them, I think. So right here starts with the note. It says, Brad, enjoy the unboxing of the 12 stacks of Christmas 2025, my friend. Uncle Vinny, C, and the better half, which is obviously daughter and his wife. So Vinny, appreciate it. I'm sure I will have a grand old time going through all this. So we will start, obviously, at number 1. He is known for really blasting the Jackets PC the last 2 years, so I'm sure he will do so again. Big Penguins fan, Mario Lemieux collector. Go hit him up if you have any rarities he may need. He's also on Instagram under the same thing as well. So let's start it off with old Vladislav Gavrikov, good defensive defenseman, right? I believe he's with the Rangers now. We had to trade him when we were kind of doing our retool. But always liked him. This is the red rookie from Synergy. Because I know Vinny likes to open up some Synergy for the price point. Number to $3.99 blue. And he knows I don't have like this type of stuff very much. Kevin Stenlund. Red. And the blue to $3.99. So he's making rainbows. All right, now this is a guy I thought for sure was going to make it. I think some of it was upstairs, but Alexander Texier, I would have sworn he was going to be a good solid NHL player. And now he has trouble even finding a team. Because he was great his rookie season, then just... And then rest in peace, this guy. This is the guy that got killed by the fireworks. Only us, right? Matisse Kivlenieks. Calvin Thurkoff. Trey Fix-Wolansky. I like that one. Rookie. They do kind of the helmet there. Stanislav Sobel. I know he's playing with the Monsters right now. I'm trying to think if he's filled in yet. I don't remember him. He may have done like a game, but so we'll see. Pierre-Luc Dubois. He's kind of one of those guys, like he's had a solid NHL career, but he's kind of just one of those, I would say he's underachieved a little bit for his size and speed combo he had. Probably should have produced a little more in the NHL than he has. He's still a good player, but he's not what he should be. There's the Captain Boone Jenner. And another PLD. So we got a little Synergy action to kick it off. And number 2. All right, what's this from here? Ovation. I don't think I even have an Ovation card. Marcus Bjork. He played a few games for us as well. Was it last season or the season before? Liam Foudy. Roaring 20s. Guy had a lot of speed Just never really put it together. I think he's with the Preds now. Boone Jenner, is this the gold version, I take it? Yeah, because there's a silver. This is 21-22. I like that. I like the gold a lot. See, I'm building rainbows. Oh, okay. So we've got the gold, the silver, and then this must be the base. Okay. Okay, I see what's going on here. I'm getting what he's putting down. Oh, and then we got a nice foil. Lead performers. Nice. Premier Prospects Foodie. Fix Wolansky. There's Zach Rowinski. Just definitely top 5 all around defenseman in the league, especially offensively, top 3 probably. But the last 2 years, he's just been amazing. Cole Sillinger. Hasn't quite found his goal scoring touch. Guy plays hard every night. But we just can't quite get the goal scoring there. But the guy flies around the ice every night. Great effort. But it's like, are you just always going to be a bottom 6 player? If we could just get him to finish, he'd easily be a top 6 guy. But love his effort. Ooh, this is nice. Kent Johnson, another guy we need a little bit more from. You know, flash, great in shootouts. Got a couple great moves. But just overall, hasn't put it all together. Need a little bit more out of him. But this is nice. 2030 is what the insert set's called. From Synergy. I like that card. Never seen that one. Look at that. Very nice. Palladium from Skybox Premium. Very nice. Like I said, the guy's got some skills. He's like the opposite of Cylinder in a way. Like, he's more finesse but again, just need a few more goals out of him, you know? Very nice. And off to number 3. Pierre-Luc Dubois. This is what year is this? 1920. This looks like green. Synergy. World premiere for Sillinger. Patrick Laine. Not going to lie, one of my least favorite Blue Jackets when he was here. Very mentally weak guy. Very just kind of a baby. Yeah, not a huge fan. Not going to lie. Another Laine. Seth Jones, guy I loved. Love Seth Jones. Oh, I miss you, Seth Jones. Opposite of the Laine. Oh, another guy I love. Josh Anderson. We finally found our another Josh Anderson and Miles Wood. Miles Wood's quickly becoming one of my favorites. Kind of the tall, fast, plays with reckless abandon. Oh, that's what we missed when we let him go to the Canadians. Canadians just kind of overpaid for him, and we just kind of let him go. But still, he was missed, and we finally got a guy who kind of plays like him in Miles Wood. So that's been fun so far this year. Panarin. 2 great years as a Blue Jacket. From O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Love watching this guy play. Wish he would have stayed. Not going to lie, glad to see he hasn't won squat with the Rangers. Ooh, is this a white? Yeah, white rainbow. I love now, that's what I always liked about Platinum. They put what it is. Very nice. The heck is this? Left wing. This is Upper Deck, but it's like a chrome. Oh, Tim Hortons. Okay. Okay. I've never seen this before. Nice. Nice shiny. From the Tim Hortons Canadian set that they do. And this is from Artifacts. Seth Jones. This design's pretty good. There was one year design where it was awful. I'm not gonna lie. I forget what year it was. This year design is nice. Seth Jones. Oh, we've got a tall boy from Parkhurst. Very nice. 1819. Very nice. That's cool. All right, the Panarin PC blowing up. 4. Oh, this is the one where the rubber band, I think, broke on it. It's all right. See, rubber band couldn't contain Artemi Panarin. So number 4. Hey, stud. Hard to believe this was like, what is it, 7 years ago since he's been with us? Man, time does fly, doesn't it? I think he's a free agent. He needs to come back. SP Blue. This looks like the blue version. 1819 SP Hockey, not SP Authentic Hockey. Very nice. MVP. Regular O-Pee-Chee. O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Oh, this is the green from the MVP. Green's numbered? No. But I know there were multiple different versions of those. Very nice. Oh, Peachy, this is different though. Oh, it's a different year, I bet. Yeah, this is 1819. This is 1920. I was like, these are different. Different years, dummy. See, you got to stay with me here. Got to stay with me. All right. Back to it as I knock this around. All right. We did the O-Pee-Chees. O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Very nice. Shooting Stars. Like it. Surprised how many cards he has for only 2 seasons. You know? Very surprised. And one of these is black. I was like, what's the difference? One's blue, one's black. Sweet. All right, off to stack number 5. I said, where are you finding all the Artemi Panarins? He can't have a ton of Blue Jackets cards. This looks like the silver VP. O-Pee-Chee Platinum. The Upper Deck, 1819. Ice Commanders. Very nice. Platinum. Oh, I always love the canvas. UD canvas. I think that's my favorite thing in Series 1 is the canvas stuff. 1819. Oh, nice. The other canvas, this must be 1920, I take it. Or 1718, I mean. 1718. Artemi from Synergy. And what is this? Foil from Upper Deck. Oh, it's got a trifecta action going on here. Upper Deck Series 2 Hockey 1718. Got him kind of the What are you shooting there? All right. All right. Foil from O-Pee-Chee. And from Ice, right here, our Timmy. Very nice. All right. Off to number 6. You're crazy, Vinny, by the way. The amount of time this takes. I think that's what I appreciate more than anything. It's just all the time and effort you put into it. Upper Deck. This looks like the foil. Nice. Insert. Oh, this is like a vintage look here. This is from O-Pee-Chee. But yeah, it's kind of got the vintage action going on. That old cardboard. Like it. Oh, this is sweet. It's his driver's license from Parkhurst. Parkhurst Permits. Look at that. Very nice. Yeah, what a dork. Look at him. I love it. I really like that one. Another Parkhurst. Parkhurst might be like your best bang for your buck. I've seen some other stuff from people. This is the refractor or rainbow. Yep, they say rainbow. Can't call them refractors or prisms. You know, each company has to have their own thing. This is rainbow. Ah, the purple. What is this? Violet pixels. This is 1819. Ooh, now that's purty. That's purty. I like it. Oh, another violet pixels. This is from 1718. Ooh. So purty. This is Rainbow Color Wheel from 1819. The Rainbow from 1718. This must be the Rainbow Color Wheel from 1718. Rainbow Color Wheel. All right. Which design's better here? Which one are you feeling more? I think I like this one better. Yeah, I think I'm going with this one. I think I like that one better. They both look pretty cool, though. But yeah, I'm giving the nod to the 1718. Yeah, what's this? Oh, ice carvings from Metal Universe. These are cool. Look at that. Very neat cards. There we go. Very neat. Sweet. All right. Number 7. Okay, David Yurchek, who we traded to Minnesota, but it is looking like, because in the same draft they drafted Matejchuk. They drafted him 6 and Matejchuk 12. And Matejchuk looks pretty freaking good. And we traded him, and it looks like that may have been the right choice, because I don't even think he's done a whole lot with the Wild either. So, hey, you know, sometimes the one you draft later is better, right? Oh, we got a Johnny Gaudreau. Another guy who has tragically died as a Blue Jacket. Maybe that's why some people don't want to come to Columbus. You may die. But sad story with that one as well. Oh, Ovation. This is gold and silver. Got some rainbow action going. Ooh, I like this one. 200 by 85, which is the dimensions, which I hear for the Olympic, for some reason, they made it 3 feet shorter. I'm like, okay. Oh, Dazzlers. This is the other good thing of Upper Deck. The Razzles and Dazzles. Purdy. Oh, nice. Hollowview SPX. That's kind of like old school SPX look right there. I like it. Very nice. What is this? Silver Skates. Oh, die cut action. Upper Deck Extended Series. It's kind of like update, right? This is a Johnny Gaudreau in the, what you call it, All-Star game. And colorways from Synergy Acetate. And Red Special Edition. Look at that. Nice red version there. And Artifacts. Very nice. 23-24. All right. Little Johnny G action there. I don't have a ton of cards of him for sure. Number 8. Looks like some more Synergy. You definitely ripped a lot of Synergy, didn't you? Texier, exceptional beginnings. You really did have an exceptional beginning. Ooh. Ooh. Fixed Wolanski to $6.99. Exceptional Futures to $7.49. Foodie. Boone to $8.99. Exceptional Stars. Boone Gold to $2.50. Standing ovation. Nice. I think we got the rainbow going there. Red Panarin. The sparkly thing, to tell you what it is. Sparkly thing from Upper Deck. Spectrum FX from SP Authentic. I think this is the one that also has a bounty thing. Oh, what is this? They made minis in O-Pee-Chee? See, I didn't even know. That's awesome. 1819 O-Pee-Chee hockey. It's a mini. Like you'd find in Ginter or something. Very nice. I like that. The rainbow. O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Purity. Well, there he's got the flowing locks going in that one. From SP Game Used. And, oh, I like this set in football a lot. This is the exclamation points from Fleer Ultra. I don't know what odds they gave him in this one, but 21-22 Fleer Ultra Hockey. Exclamation points. Very nice. I like that one a lot. All right, number 9. We're only like, we might not even be halfway there. I don't know. All right, we got a Gavrikov, $3.99. Texier, $7.99. Foodie, $8.99. Oh, Light Up the Night, $8.99. Futures, $4.49. VFX, $7.49. Exceptional Beginnings, $9.99 a Stenlin. Foodie to $7.99. Cole Sellinger to $8.99. Texier to $8.99. Texier to $9.99. Just a baby Frenchman. And a Foodie to $9.99. They put a lot of different numbered cards in Synergy, don't they? There's like multiple versions, more than I realized, I guess. All right, we're on to number 10. Johnny G, Seeing Red. From Upper Deck Extended Series. So it seems like the Extended Series I'm not familiar with, because it seems like the inserts I have never seen before are from there. Must have missed that broken. Oh, this is to 100 Boone. Like I said, I got the rainbow going. Very nice. My boy Josh Anderson. This is a black. Yeah. To 100. Very nice. J.A. Thurkoff, Rainbow. Texier, Rainbow. Bjorkstrand, Rainbow. Max Domi. Jacob Voracek. Always liked him too. He played with us 2 different times. Josh Dunn. Ooh, Pretty Blue of Nick Foligno. That goes really good with our colors right there. One of the good guys in the game for sure, Mr. Nick Foligno. To 99. Royal Blue Cubes. Royal Blue Cubes. It's a sweet looking card. I like that a lot. And then we've got a Nick Foligno. It's like a black foil from O-Pee-Chee. 15-16. What the back looks like. Yeah, it's like a foily refractor thing. Love it. All right. Number 11. Cranked up. Let's crank it up. $5.99. And I mean, it's got to be hard to make insert sets constantly and try to come up with good names. I mean, so I give them a break, but some of these are pretty funny. $3.99 blue. Foligno from black to $3.49. Oh, my boy Rowinski to $2.50. Sillinger rookie. Seth Jones green artifacts to $99. What's this one called? Arctic Freeze to $79. You notice the numbers are starting to get lower here. What's this one? Arctic Freeze to $99. So 18, 19. This is how you know they're just making more product as each year went by. 18, 19, 79. 19, 20, 99. That's what. It's just funny. Ooh, a dual relic to 165. Mr. Seth. Another dual. Might just make his jersey to 165. And a dual to 249. And stature, some of the nicest looking base in the game right here. This is the red to 75. Very nice. Of Mr. Cam. All right. All right, yeah, we're getting lower numbered and shinier here as we go. So get ready. This is number 12. Oh, he knows I love the seismic golds. Those are probably my favorites. All right, seismic gold. This is Scott Hartnell. 8 of 50. This is 14-15. See, many years with the Preds and Flyers before us. Look at that. Ugh, love the golds. Oh, is this whole stack going to be gold, dude? Oh, my goodness. All right. See, he just kind of, gradually puts you to sleep, and then bam, over the head. NHL All-Star, Nick Foligno. Oh, man, I love these golds. This is 1 out of 50 from 15-16. Oh, I like these so much. Boone Jenner gold, and you can see it's over the years. Sometimes they've like changed to a darker gold almost. 11 of 50. This is 16-17. But like not all the years are like the same color gold. It's kind of funny. There's like 3 different gold colors. Ooh, another Foligno here, different year obviously. 17-18. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, nice. Dubinsky, another one of those hard workers. Those early Torch teams is full of hard workers. 44 of 50. Long-time Ranger and Blue Jacket right there. Oh, this is so awesome. Cam Atkinson. Oh, these are so awesome. Sorry, I'm just staring myself at them. 8 of 50 at 17-18. Whew. This is crazy. But wait, there's more. Pierre-Luc Dubois. I mean, it's not even that easy to find all these. Numbered to 50. Like I have a few in my collection, but this definitely probably tripled it. Awesome. And what I like about it is they kept them numbered to the same, which is very rare in this day and age. Nyquist. Another very professional guy, 39 of 50. I think he's with the Wild now, I think. Very nice. Foodie. This is the rookie year. Marquee rookies. 40 to 50 from 2021. Mad Max Domi. Beautiful. 2 of 50 from 21-22. Oh, nice. Jack Roslovic. He's inconsistent, but when he's right, he's very fun to watch. He's about a 20-game-a-year player. For 20 of the games, you're like, man, this guy might be an $8 to $9 million player. Then the other 60, you're like, he just kind of disappears or does dumb stuff. But for like 20 of the games, he just looks amazing. Numbered to 50, 21-22. And, oh, I loved Ollie. This was the worst trade we made the last 5 years, was giving him away basically for nothing to Seattle. Bjorkstrand. Seismic gold to 50, 21-22. Very nice. All those golds, I freaking loved them, man. Woo! Love all the gold action. Okay, now we're into bonus rounds. He cheated. These are bonus rounds. Afraid to even look at these. All right. Bonus round number 1. Get free rubber bands, too. All right. Let's see what we got here. We've got Clear Cut Foundation. Panarin and Jones. Nice. Acetate. Ooh, I loved Ingrained. Panarin, $2.99. One of my favorite looking products. Very nice. From Premier, another product I like. Probably one of the better bang for your bucks. Premier. This is, well, what do they call this? Oh, they just call this Red Prism with an S. $1.99. I was hoping it had a really cool name. Very nice. And to $150, the Radiance FX. Very nice. All right, as we continue here, there's Josh Anderson Gold, it looks like, to $149 from O-Pee-Chee. Rookie. Very nice. Seth Jones Black to $100. Black like foil right there. Look at that. Yeah, the intensity. Seth Jones Arctic Freeze to $99. Oh, wait, this is the Royal Cubes, right? Yeah, Royal Blue Cubes to $99. Okay, I think these are my favorite. Of like the weird ones. Obviously, the gold are the best, but the blue is second. All right, Seth Jones to $85. Artemi, is this the Arctic Freeze to $79. Very nice. And Artemi Green Rainbow to $49, because I know there's some Green Surge or something that's like real low numbered. This is the Green Rainbow Emerald Surge or something like that. Very nice. All right, we got a Seth Purple to $35. Another Seth Purple to $35. This from Synergy. Very nice. What the heck? To $21. Like I said, I didn't realize Synergy had this many parallels. Now, what makes this to $21? No, it's just like a silver. I don't know what makes it to $21. I don't know. Cool nonetheless. Cast for Greatness. Wait, is this metal? Oh, this is a metal card. I'm like, wait, this seems heavy. It's like a metal card. Very nice. Mr. Panarin. And from Ultimate Collection to $149. All right. Oh, this is sweet. Run for the Cup from Black Diamond. They always have these cool inserts in Black Diamond. Usually very thick, yeah. Very thick cards. Beautiful. To $99. Very nice. To $6.99. Cranked. I think that one makes me laugh the most. Red Cranked. Black, maybe? Blue? Cranked. To $99. Getting cranked. Cranked up, of course. And then the green to $65 cranked up. So we got a rainbow action going there. We got multiple rainbows in this thing here. Can't quite reach it. Number 2. Ooh, we got some red prismatic going on. Number 2 bonus round. But really stack what? 14? Panarin to $199. What is this? R.J. Umberger, early blue jacket. I don't think I have an autograph of him. This is from Crown Royale to 199 on card. A little die cut action there. Yeah, I don't know that I have an autograph of his yet. So he was one of our good early players when they started. Ooh, PLD. Autograph from Parkhurst. Very nice. Ah, Jeff Sanderson, another early. I think I only have one autograph of his. From 2002 Vanguard, I guess, or Vault. Oh, in the game Vault. Jeff Sanderson. Even got the early Blue Jackets. Brandon Sod, autograph. That is on card as well from SP. Solid player who gave us Artemi Panarin for 2 years. Still the weirdest trade in hockey. No one ever got that one from the Blackhawks point of view. Very nice Dubinsky on card auto. SP Authentic. Kind of a through the years thing here going on. Got a Foligno from Chronology. On card. Awesome. Bjorkstrand sign of the times. Ooh, Rowinski blue autograph from O-Pee-Chee Platinum. 22-23. Huh. Very nice. Again, the blue just goes great with us. Very nice. Josh Anderson, rookie premieres to 199 from Trilogy. Very nice. Another Ollie here to 275 from Trilogy. Cam from SPX. 2020-21. Josh Anderson from Artifacts Autofacts. Nice Boone from SPX, the whiteout. 16-17. Seth from SP Game Used. Very nice. Ooh. Chunky from Adam Penault. Ultimate debut threads to 50. 0809. All right. Nice chunky patch. And then what is this? From the cup. Oh, this is the gold version to 12. These are hard to come by right here. 8 of 12 from the cup. Look at that foil. Panarin, love it. 17-18. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. All right. Number 3. Of the bonus round, of course. All righty. Artemi Panarin Blue Rainbow 149. Rainbows everywhere. $9.99 from Trilogy. To 35 purple. Rowinski, a bunch of low-numbered jacket stuff here. Oh, these are tough. The silver scripts to 25 from MVP. I know those are really tough to come by. From 18-19. There we go. Beautiful. UD Midnight. I don't think I knew this was a parallel to 25. And anything at like Series 1 to 25 are tough, tough pulls. 15, 16. I didn't even know this was parallel. UD Midnight. Awesome. Oh, another silver MVP to 25 of Panarin. Like I said, these are tough to come by. Those aren't easy cards. Ah, there's one of Seth Jones. See, Vinny knows how to find them. Because like I said, I know those aren't easy. Synergy, Cast for Greatness. Is this the other metal? Yeah, it's another metal card. Love it. Oh, 9 of 10. Oh, it's the gold version. I see. 9 of 10. Look at that. Awesome. Credentials gold. Holy schmoly. 3 of 5 of Seth Jones. The heck are you finding this stuff? Ooh. 3 color to 25. Divisional Artifacts. The Metropolitan. Obviously, that's where they're in. Premium patches here out of Artifacts. Look at that chunk. He sent me some nice Panarin patches in the past. 1819. Beautiful. Ooh, I have an Atkinson like this, but I don't think I had a Jones. To 25, patch autograph. Beautiful. Holy schmoly. Oh my gosh. Oh, I haven't seen this card, but I've seen a couple patches with players that had this in it, and I've never won one. This is the cannon. At the wheel of the cannon? Yeah, just look at that. Oh, from Allure. Numbered to 10. Purple Diamond Auto. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the wheel. That's the cannon part. Oh. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. What do we got here? Last. Round 4. How was that not last? Holy schmoly. Okay. Exquisite. Because, you know, I don't have enough nice Panarin stuff. Look at that. 149. Like I said, I got to have almost every Panarin set now. There might be a mega patch I'm missing. That's about it. Threads of Time. What the heck's in there? It's really thick. Threads of Time. Nice KB's relic. Oh, we're back to gold. Seth Jones. To 50. Cam. 10 of 50. Look at that. Ugh, sucksy. Oh, now we're getting into precious metal gems now. Seth to 100, I assume. Yep, 85 of 100. I guess they're really to 90, right? And he had sent me in previous year the patch version of this. It's like a really nasty Blue Jackets logo patch. So now I've got the jersey to go with it. Very nice. Rookies to 399, Josh Anderson. Seth to 25 from Showcase. White Hot. Clear showcase. Oh, we got another seismic gold. Holy gold. To 50. And, oh, man. Okay. Okay, now we're getting into Rick Nash on-card autographs. All right. Ultimate signatures. Oh, shoot. What is this? 0910. Don't have it. Big bold auto. Love it. Look at that. What is this? Oh, another MVP to 25. This, very nice. Look at that. Oh, like I said, I know those are tough. Sick. Seth Jones. What is this? 3-color to 75 ultimate patch. Look at that chunkiness of Mr. Rick Nash. Here's this guy. I don't know. I think it's covering it. I don't know. Look at that. Foil, nasty patches. Another Seth here, MVP. 225. I was like, he should be to 25 as well. There it is. Switched it up on the right-hand side that time. Well, we ought to have a Mario Lemieux in the package, right? Nice. So this is 92, 93. Oh, yeah, up at the top there, dummy. 92, 93. Mario. All right. So let's see what Mario was covering here. Oh, Lord. Look at that. Yeah. Woo. To 35. 10-11. Ultimate. Well, yeah. He aims to beat you over the head with stuff, and, well, he accomplished that. That's crazy. Like I said, just the time and effort spent on this is what just makes it amazing. I appreciate it, Vinny. Just so much nastiness. You can't even recap all that nastiness. I mean, we got Rick Nash patches. I mean, we got seismic golds out the yin yang. He knows those were my favorite. We've got logo patches from the Canon. I mean, just, you know, got Panarin's to 12. You know, just insanity. The Blue Jackets PC is just taking a monster leap forward here this December, let me tell you. So, Vinny, I really do appreciate it, man. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff, but that was a lot of fun. I appreciate it, Vinny. If you guys don't know him, definitely go check him out. Like I said, you'll find him usually on the IRP, the Insert Revolution podcast, most Tuesday and or Wednesdays. You will see him there. But yeah, thank you for the absolute bomb of Blue Jackets. I appreciate it. Hey, we made it under an hour, guys. Beat that. So, appreciate you if you watched all the way through, even if you skipped to the end and just saw some of these goodies. Oh, my goodness. But I'll have fun putting all these away, that's for sure. So, Vinny, thanks again. Until next time, go Blue Jackets. Bye-bye.